French toast. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 2 thirds cup milk, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 8 thick slices of bread, butter, maple syrup. Method: in a medium bowl, mix together the eggs, milk, and cinnamon until well blended, and pour into a shallow bowl to place a slice of bread you will be using. Melt some butter in a large pan over medium-high heat. Place bread into the milk-egg mixture, allowing the bread to soak in some of it. Shake off the excess and place onto the hot pan. Fry the French toast until brown on one side, then flip and brown the other side. Serve with butter and maple syrup.